Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Volkswagen Passat. First, let's establish the fundamental shape. Start by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle to represent the car's main body. Then, add a gently curved line for the roof, connecting it smoothly to the body. Focus on getting the overall length and height correct, ensuring the proportions are balanced for a realistic foundation. Next, we'll add more definition to the Passat's body. Carefully define the window outlines, including the windshield and side windows, paying attention to their angles. Sketch the distinct, rounded wheel arches, making sure they are evenly spaced along the body. Then, add the door lines and any subtle body creases to give the car its characteristic form. Now, let's focus on the front and rear features. Draw the headlights and taillights, paying close attention to their unique shapes and placement. Sketch the iconic Volkswagen grille in the front, along with the circular emblem at its center. Add the circular outlines for the wheels and tires, ensuring they fit within the arches. Don't forget small details like door handles and side mirrors. Finally, we'll bring your Passat drawing to life with finishing touches. Carefully darken and refine all the main outlines of the car, making them crisp and clean. Add intricate details to the wheels, such as the rims and tire treads. Apply light shading to create depth and dimension across the body. Use darker tones for shadows beneath the car and in recessed areas for a more realistic appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.